LEMO B-Series low-voltage connectors are now available from Sager Electronics. B-Series circular connectors have a push-pull latching mechanism and feature a modular, ergonomic, and reliable design that's ideal for medical devices, research, instrumentation, and test and measurement equipment. The B-Series is available with 2 to 64 contacts in multipole or mixed layouts. This includes solder, crimp, or print contacts, as well as high voltage, coax, fiber optic, thermocouple, and fluidic options. These are offered across 8 shell sizes and in over 60 shell styles, with the metal shell providing 360-degree EMI shielding. The connectors feature 13 keying options to prevent mismating and 9 color options for easy identification during use. The B-Series is UL listed and rated for use at up to 250 degrees Celsius. To learn more about LEMO B-Series low-voltage connectors, visit Sager.com.